So what I'm going to do, because I noticed when the weather get cold, my eyelids get very dry. So for those of you that have dry eyelids, use a cream-based eyeshadow on your lid, and that will help with the dryness. So I'm going to use a loose shadow and Vaseline on my lid. Hey everybody, get excited, get excited. This is a strong and powerful Grwm making a mark that cannot be erased, changing the world one face at a time. Guess what? Get excited, get excited, get excited, get super, super, super excited. Thank you for tuning into my page. Stay tuned for the video. Get excited. Contour my crease area with my Queen Latifah bronzer. I'm going to use this as a transition color. This is my lid area before I do the shadow. So this is a quick look. It's not going to take all day to do this because I'm only going to use one eyeshadow and a transition color. Get excited, folks. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use this Flurry Robin mineral shadow. And this one's called Deep Sea. I don't think they carry this one anymore. And it looks like that. I'm going to use that as a Vaseline on my lid area. So right now I'm just going to take I'm blending the shadow and Vaseline together. And I'm using a small brush because it'll be easy to put on the lid area. And I'm just going to pat it on, folks. Do not swipe it because then you'll be swiping off the shadow. And this is a quick makeup look. So I'm patting it on. And this is supposed to be like a deep green. And this is one of my favorite loose shadows. My favorite one. Get excited, everybody. So see how easy that is? And it looks, what a big difference. And I love this Vaseline and eyeshadow technique. You don't see the creases in your lid area. So if you have dry lids, this would be great for you. Or if you just want a glossy look, this would be awesome. This would be awesome for you. So that'll be that. Look how simple that is. So basically I just covered the whole entire lid area. And I mixed the Vaseline and the shadow together. Because look at that. Get excited, everybody. Get super excited. I'm going to take a little more shadow. A little more shadow by itself. And pat. So the color can pop. See the difference? Get excited. Get excited. Like so, like so, like so, like so, like so. Big difference. I tell you, my eyebrows feel better too. My eyebrows, my lid, it feels so much better with the Vaseline on top. Like so. Get excited, everybody. Get excited, get excited, get excited, get excited, get super, super, super. See, look how that looks. Wow, I love it. Sharpening my liner. This is quick and easy. Quick and easy, get you out the door. Quick and easy. So I'm going to line in my waterline with the black liner. And this is a Flurry Robin black liner. Only going to hit the waterline. So I'm going to put the lash on in the middle first. Like so. Attach the sides. Then the inner corner. Get excited, everybody. Get excited, get excited. Now when you put it on, make sure you press. Go to my YouTube channel. Plenty of videos over there show you how to do that. Until next time, have a wonderful, wonderful day. Get excited, everybody. Get super excited. Later. See you next time. Bye. I'm going to take a picture of this look. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. Comment below. And on your way out, hit the bell button for notification. Until next time,
Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Get excited. Get super excited.